They finished up this fence up yesterday. It looks really good, but there's a few mistakes that the first guy didn't take care of. The first guy, he didn't level this out because it has to be leveled out, because we're gonna put a wheel for it to go through here. Tomorrow they're gonna level this out so the wheel can just go all in one path. The wheel that they originally got, it was just like going side to side, and it's not meant for this type of ground. My plan B for it, I don't know. It's a little thought to make a little concrete slab for the wheel. So yeah, but I like it. This is one door for the trailer, or when we buy something big. This is what that door is for, and then this is the second door for people. But right now I have it drilled shut so nobody can go in here. So let's close this thing out. Yeah, that door is gonna be fixed for tomorrow. This is technically 95% done. This guy's just gonna go hit areas from the inside right here. Yeah, he's just gonna hit like little details right here. So this is 95% done. This is technically, you can say, done. So this is the end. This is the end result. It looks really good, better than I thought, to be honest. It looks really good. It's still super smooth, so I like it. And then this is not going to be the way it is right now. I told him to center it from one block, because I'm not trying to use up all the space right away. So I'm trying to preserve as much space as I can. So I told him to measure from there to right here, and to center it, to put it right in the center, and that will preserve as much space as I need. Because then I'm gonna have like a little wood area right here. So I can have firewood for that. And then eventually I want a Santa Maria, featuring pop-up photo of Santa Maria. So yeah, that will be looking good. And then this is gonna get remodeled as well. We're gonna cut this off, and then the guy is gonna he's gonna build like a little ramp, so this can go back and forth like a cabinet. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty cool. I guess this is gonna go with it. I don't know, so I could travel with it. I don't know, but yeah, that's my idea of this. It's gonna be all stone.
You'd rather be next to me.